Python. Python.
Python.
Python.
Ever wonder what makes the digital world tick? What's the secret about the data that shapes decisions? Even the robots changing our future. Even for AI/ML engineering, that language is Python.
Python is the most influential language in the running world. Over 10 million developers use Python. It is used for web development, server-side, software development, mathematics system, scripting.
But why is it so popular? Guido van Rossum, a guy from the Netherlands, was once struggling with his free holiday routine. Van Rossum had been looking for a hobby programming project that would keep him occupied during the week around Christmas. He chose the name Python for his programming language, not because of the snake type, but because of the comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus.
Python can be used in web development, data science, desktop applications, and more. You can use Python in Flask and Django NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, PyTorch technologies.